Hello to everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, hope you like, share, and subscribe. So here is a new the farmland today. So today is the day where they're going to harvest the rice field in the farmland. Okay, so there's a lot of Filipinos here. Okay, hello. So they're happy, bonding and eating together. So later on, after an hour, they are going to prepare themselves to harvest rice in the rice field in the farmland. So, hello, sir.
Hello.
Okay, hello, sir. Ayan. So, that's it. This is the way how they eat in the farmland. So, they are using their hand. Yan. Having fun eating the farmland. Yan, that's it. So, they have the bayan. Okay, that's their bayan.
Ah,
What do you call this one? Tamban?
Tamban.
And also the
Tinulang manok.
tinolang manok, which is made of chicken, papaya, and some leaves of malunggay. And the silly leaves.
Chili.
Yeah, silly. So, these are their equipments. Okay, they have a time to relax for a moment. Okay, so they have a hello, sir. Hello there. Okay, you can say hi to the world. Okay, so it's time to harvest the rice in our farmland. So what can you say? Can say something about the world, the people in the world?
Stay strong. We're in this pandemic today, this year. So please be faithful to God and trust the government.
Wow, that's a very good message to the world. How about you?
you.
You have something to say
Nothing.
about the farmland?
It's too hot here.
It's very hot. Okay,
Yeah.
it's very hot here in the rice field. But it's good to see what is the condition of this farmland. Okay, during lunchtime. Okay, so this is the what do you call this car? They have this car. Is this a tractor? Is this a tractor? What you call this one? This one? A truck? You don't know it? This is truck? Okay, so local government, we can just say local government of San Mateo Rizal. So I'm now in San Mateo Rizal, Philippines. So I'm just picturing it to you. Okay, how beautiful is this at this time, and later on they are going to harvest the rice in the farmland. Okay, so I'm too excited to see how they harvest the rice in the farmland. So I'm going to witness this later. Here's the people. Okay, they are Filipino people who are getting ready to prepare themselves later on. So Filipino people farmers are really hardworking people. No? So rice is a major staple food in the Philippines. So and you can see a while ago that when they are eating, they're just eating rice with a viand. And now how take a good look how they prepare themselves at this time. Okay, so that's it. And then having a little bit rest for a meantime. Okay, so that's it. All right. Okay. So I just like to interview this person. So are you happy that it's time to harvest the rice in the rice field? Is it really time already?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say is it yes?
Yes, because today's a good day. It's sunny. And
Oh, sunny day. It's a
Yes.
good day.
Sunny day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
the
like
perfect
it's so hot to harvest the rice,
Yes.
or it's rainy?
No. Harvesting in rainy day seems.
So it's good if it is sunny day.
Yes, yes.
It's more fun.
Yes.
So you can see it's better than it's rainy days.
Oh yes.
Okay.
For sure.
Yes. So you feel the fun
Yes. Of course.
every time you harvest it on sunny day?
Yes, basically this is just my second time being a volunteer in harvesting this field.
Wow, you volunteer harvesting in the farmland.
Yes.
You pay for that?
No, no, no.
You're not paid for it.
Yes.
Okay, do you just it's a really volunteer,
Yes.
volunteering yourself, right? Okay. So, are you happy doing that?
Yes, because this is also a pastime. I don't have a class. We're in a synchronous class today.
Wow, so
So,
you're a student, huh?
yes.
Okay. What can you say about TikTok? Do you know how to TikTok in the farmland?
I don't do TikTok.
You don't like the TikTok, why? What is your message about the TikTok that you can see in the YouTube?
Maybe it's okay because people are having fun. They find it entertaining.
Yeah.
Because in this year we're in lockdown, so it's kind of bored.
But
If
what
you're-
can you say about the TikTok? Is it good or bad? If it is something like it brings you a good message or informative, inspiring TikTok, is it yes or no for you?
It depends on the user because some people are using it for good deeds, but there are other people that also uses it for abusive things or anything that is not acceptable to the society.
Wow, very inspiring message. Are you a student?
Yes.
Oh, I would rather give you out of 10. I'll give you 8 for that. Okay, so what is your message to the learners when they use the TikTok, when they watch the TikTok in YouTube?
They should watch the more education TikTok videos with educational content.
Very good.
And maybe they have to use it in right way, in the correct way.
Wow, well, you're a very good learner. I'm going to pass you.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, sir. I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe. And well, your message is very informative, very inspiring to the learners. Okay,
Thank you,
so I do hope to the young learners in the world. Okay, so I do hope that watch only the YouTube. TikTok that is inspiring, informative, educational. Okay, something that would inspire the youth and the learners in this pandemic time so that they can also contribute something to the world. Right? Isn't that right? Okay, may I see your thumbs up? Wow, okay. So thank you, sir, for that. All right, okay.